You can hide down in a cave. Don't care about your victory, don't care about your skill. It just wants the island empty, a final deathly still. That's the horror of players, but you can't outrun this rain. They call it the storm, but I call it the wall. A violent tide coming along. There's a final hunter, the one you can't defeat. Turns us inward to the rhythm of his beat. Tick-tock goes the time, tick-tock goes the pain. You can't escape the sting. No choice but to fight, funneling us closer, and in its closing light. Sun in the sky, got that new wave feeling I can't be denied. They sleeping on me, but I'm hitting my stride. Got that glow up status, nowhere to hide. From the bottom to the top, come up is real. They checking for the vibes, they wanna know how I feel. I just smile, stay silent, and conceal the deal. Cause when I make my next move, the whole world's gonna kneel. Yeah, the energy shifting, you can feel it in the air. They watching my story